that something ended bad for you does not mean it's going to end bad for another person. That your relationship didn't work out doesn't mean it's not going to work out for another person. So it's just better you wish the person luck than saying that it will end in tears. Like, Nigerians are so fond of this, it will end in tears. It's so annoying. Like, once you post a couple, once you post them and their goals, everything together, the first thing you hear is it will end in tears.
Like you got me when the earth shakes, when the bombs scream until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Hi Vibe babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Vibe here again, and I am back with another video. I'm back with the banger. I'm back with the If you are new to my channel, guys, welcome. This is Belzy's World. This is the place that only the vibe flows. Only the vibe flows. So yeah, guys, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Just click the red button already and make sure you turn on the bell, the notification bell there, so that you get notified at all times whenever I post a video. So yeah, guys, today's video is going to be an unpopular opinion, my unpopular opinion about Nigerians. And please, nobody should come for me. This is my opinion. This is my unnecessary opinion. Yeah, I know no one cares, but then, so yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you have read this video, please just subscribe already. I beg, just subscribe already. Remember, don't forget to like, comment and share. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so guys, the first set of people we are going to be talking about today are those people that always say in Adi. What is in Adi? Like, what is that? I don't get. If it is someone's birthday, just say birthday soon rather than saying in Adi. Like, what is in Adi? Like, what is in Adi? Okay, those people that also say Wululump. Wululump. Wait. Okay, most of you that don't know, that have not figured out what Wululump is now. Wululump is that WULLNP. That is wishing you long life and prosperity. If you are wishing you long life and prosperity, why not type it in full? Let me know that you are actually wishing me long life. Then you will now cut the life you are wishing me short and put Wululump. Like, does it make sense? Okay, when some people don't even want to say wishing you long life and prosperity, that is a Wululump. You now put Lulump. That is LLMP. God, like, Nigerians are so like, I don't just know, but then those set of people that say that in Adi, Wululump, Lulump, stop it, please, stop it already. This fly. Okay, guys, the next set of people are those people that used to say DM for price. Oh my god, that is so annoying. Okay, if you are selling something, why not just put the damn price there? Why must you make us to suffer to come to your DM and then we ask you what is the price of this thing? You tell us and you leave us in the position of telling you we'll get back to you. Why do you have to do that? And then you people are the same people that will still say, God, please don't give me customers that will say I'll get back to you. Then attach your price, let them see it. Because I feel these people used to tell, look at face before they tell price. Maybe if you are rich, they will increase the price for you. Then if they know you don't so have, then they will reduce the price. That's what I feel. Because I don't see the reason you put DM for price and then no. They used to change price. There's no two ways about it. They used to change price. Then the next set of people, guys, are those people that used to say it will end in tears. That it ended in tears for you does not mean it will end in tears for another person at all. Just be happy. Like, Nigerians are not happy for each other. Just be happy for another person. Not when you see people's couple picture, people's goals, people's video, the first thing that will come to your mind is it will end in tears. Like, Nigerians, why? Everything will not end in tears. Enjoy the moment while it lasts. Like, you guys can just say, oh, people can just put good luck, wishing you all the best, rather than putting it will end in tears. Like, okay, guys, the next set of people we are going to be talking about today are those people that always say, you know yourself. you want to post a picture, you want to post okay, they don't post a picture, like they just like how you want to type on your story or type on your status, whatever it is. Yeah, you now be like, I miss you at you know yourself. I don't get. You know who? Please don't look at my edges. I tried so hard to draw it. But then, yeah, those that say, I miss you at yourself, why can't you just say, I miss you at Ebuka? I love you, Ebuka. Why must you make it at you know yourself? Like, nobody is coming to beat you. Nobody is coming to say, all this type of thing. Just be happy, live your life. And Nigerians will confuse you. It's a confused country, but then they will confuse you the more. That is just one thing you should know about us. Next thing I'm going to be talking about are Nigerians take everything. They take everything as a joke. Everything is a joke to Nigerians. Guys, how can this is actually very funny. You know this hush puppy story, yeah? So someone was like, I saw a tweet that said, so what is going to happen to hush puppy's clothes now? Then this footballer, I think it's Ronaldo, I can't remember, but then if I see the picture or I'm going to post it somewhere on the page. So Ronaldo wore the same clothes, like had the same clothes Hush Puppy has. So he wore his own and posted this picture happily. And someone now posted, they don't dash you Hush Puppy clothes now, like Nigerians are a whole level of vibe, but then they can be so annoying. Like they take everything as a joke, even as we are in this pandemic, like as this COVID-19 is here, they turned everything to a joke. Like they make joke out of everything, even things that are serious, they make a joke out of it. And the Nigerians, they used to hype nonsense. The things that they are not supposed to hype are the ones that they will hype, and things that they're supposed to hype are the ones that they will leave very reluctant, and that is just so backward. Okay, instead of Nigerians to be hyping how they will better this country, the government, don't come for me at that. At the government, I said, please don't come for me at that. But then you get what I'm trying to say. No, that is not the one they will hype. They will hype Timini's girlfriend's age, that she's this age, that things that are not necessary are the things Nigeria derive joy. That it's that they derive joy in hyping. They hype nonsense. Nonsense kind of hype, nonsense. But then we move. That is for those set of people. The next set of people I'm going to be talking about, this one is so annoying, because I feel this one everybody does it, but I feel Nigerians, they do it a lot. Like they overdo their own. Those set of people that are mannerless, like those set of people that feel they don't owe anybody anything, but meanwhile you owe everybody respect. You are not supposed to be rude and mannerless, and no. But then when you try to correct them for this, when you try to approach them for these things they are doing wrong, they be like, it's my zodiac sign. Excuse me? Your zodiac what? Like I don't even know how to put this one again. But then yeah, those set of people that always use the like sign as an excuse to be mannerless, to be psych, to be mad, that is for them. The next set of people we are going to be talking about are those people that always post fake life this, fake life that, fake life this. Those people are the actual fake people. No, forget, look at it. Like, just calm down and look at those people that always post fake life this, folk. Okay, I feel when we are still in high school, that is secondary school, yeah, we were so naive. Like everybody felt they had haters, everybody felt fake friends were everywhere. There was, you know what I'm talking about, that they all had fake friends. So everybody was always posting fake friends, this, fake that, fake this, fake dudes, fake bros, things like that. But then yeah, that was because we are still young and then we didn't know anything then. But then now we are all grown. Like and people are still seeing all these fake friends. Just watch them, clearly watch them closely, put an eye on them. You will see that those people that they are the actual fake friends. Those people that always coming fake friends, they are the actual fake friends. Just calm down after this video, just calm down and watch them. You will see what I'm talking about. You will understand what I'm talking about. Guys, the next set of people I'm going to be talking about are those people that their parents lock at home, yeah, don't allow them to go out, all these type of things, and then now they've come to a more matured environment. That's like they've entered the university, they've entered college, and then when they misbehave and you try to meet them, hey, this is not how to do things, they will be like, hey, it's not my fault, they locked me when I was young. Are you the first person they locked? Are you the only person they locked at home? You are not the first, you are not the second, you are not the third, you are not even among the 1 million people they've locked at home, and you are not going to be the last. They are still locking people at home till now. Though parents are not supposed to be locking their children like every time, like that. But then that should not be a mistake for you to misbehave and then fuck up, and then you get what I'm talking about. They always use it, and it's so annoying. They'll just be like, hey, it's not my fault. That is how they locked me at home. They did this, they did that. Ta! And get a life, my friend. Get a life. Those people that are in situationships are those people that are not dating. They are not in a relationship, but then they do everything that people in relationship are doing. Yeah, they get angry when their partner cheats. All those kind of things. Yeah, and then that stuff, if it really destroys your mental health, it destroys your sanity. Like it fucks you up. Better you just talk with the person. What are we? Let me know my ground. Let us know where we are heading to. It's better you know that you are cleared, we are not together. So if you know if these friends with benefits you are doing, but then situationships, nah, like it really, your sanity is what it should be your priority. You know what I'm talking about, but priority. Yeah, guys, I believe this is everything. These are my unpopular opinions about Nigeria. They are more. They are more. But then let me just leave these ones for you guys. Let me just drop these ones for you guys. All right? Yeah. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and anyone you could relate to. I know most of you could relate to everything I said, but then anyone can relate to, please just leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. Yeah, and then that comment section, any video you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Like this video and leave a comment, please, and then share too. Share. Oh, share. Okay, guys, see you guys next week Friday. Catch you.